What's up, y'all? I'm on my way to pick up little Sean, man, and I'm down here riding through this spot in North Carolina, Reidsville, North Carolina, and there's this spot here. What is it called? Short Sugars. So I went online. I wanted some chicken. I wanted some fried chicken. So I came through. I went to the barbershop, got me a cut. Shout out to my man Clack in Reidsville. Hooked me up on the barber tip. Came a little low down in there, but he still did a good job, man. Y'all go see my man Clack. I forget the name of the barbershop he at. He in Reidsville. What's the name of that barbershop? Let me give him a plug, man. Hold on a second. All right, let me get inside. Let me go see. First, I got to see if these people are going to let me even film. Let me see. But I really want some chicken, man. I want some fried chicken, man. So whenever I come down south, man, I try to get me some southern food, man, when I come down south. Welcome to Short Sugars. Please don't forget to check us out on Facebook. Let me see what kind of menu they got. They got barbecue. They got all kind of stuff over here. How you doing? I'm filming. I'm filming myself. See, it's kind of looking like. Hey, what's up, man? You work here? Is the owner here? See her? Okay. Okay. What's up with you, man? All right. How's the food here, man?
Good.
Yeah. Is that him?
Yes.
How you doing, man? What's your name? David? David, what's up? I'm Sean. I'm a YouTuber.
Okay.
I got over 100,000 subscribers, right? I'm from Jersey. I'm passing through on my way to pick my son up at a baseball camp in Charlotte. And I go into restaurants and I film myself eating and I kind of give you free publicity. Can I film?
Absolutely.
Yo, check my man out. Come on, say what's up to the people, man. Come around. So listen, we in this is
Reidsville, North Carolina.
Reidsville, North Carolina, and this is called Short Sugars.
Short Sugars.
What kind of food y'all got here?
It's a barbecue joint.
David, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
We got hickory smoked barbecue. Still got the pit over here that we smoked it on just like we did back in '49.
In '49.
Yes, sir. We've been here. This is our 75th year.
Really? But how old are you?
I'm 51. I wasn't here for the beginning.
All right, because I'm 55, so I know you. I know we's probably about the same age.
I'm the third generation. Yeah.
So y'all been here since 1949?
Yes, sir.
That's what's up. That's what's up. What about fried chicken?
We don't have any fried chicken.
You ain't got no fried chicken?
We've got some other people in town that do it really, really well. So I let them do the fried chicken. I do the barbecue.
You got a barbecue? Okay. What do you recommend my first time here?
If you like pork, the chopped plate is the thing to get. Got your barbecue and slaw, hush puppies, French fries.
What about ribs? You got ribs?
We got some ribs tonight too.
You got ribs?
Yes, sir.
All right. You got collard greens?
Don't have any collard greens.
Right.
I don't have any vegetables.
Okay.
We're gonna build a new restaurant right over here in this next door lot, and we'll have a bunch of vegetables in.
Okay.
I don't have a kitchen space for it now.
Okay, cool. All right, so let me get some. What'd you say? The pulled pork?
Yeah, I'd get the chopped plate, and I'll bring you some ribs too to try.
All right.
How's that sound?
All right, let's do that.
Okay. What would you like to drink?
What you got? Sweet tea?
Sweet tea. It's real sweet.
Listen, we're gonna do the sweet tea since I'm here at Short Sugars, Reidsville, North Carolina. If you're passing through, make sure you stop through. They're on Facebook too, right?
Yeah, that's right. Facebook and Instagram.
You on Instagram?
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna tag you in Instagram.
Good deal.
Short Sugars, Reidsville, North Carolina. Come through, check them out. Check my man David out. Tell him, say, yo, I saw you on Sean's YouTube channel, man.
Right
But
on.
we've been eating.
Thank you, Sean.
All right, man. And then I want to shoot some before I leave. I'm gonna shoot a reel with you
Okay.
and help you promote your spot too. Man.
Okay. I've got a couple of errands to run real quick, but I'll probably back before you finish eating. But over the corner over here is the pit, and that's the magic, right? You can't have that inside. We're good grandfathered in, so we're about the only place left. You walk in and smell it, smoking, you know.
I saw the smoke on from the outside when I was coming.
So they load the wood from the outside, and then it drops down the drain.
Can we show him?
Come on.
Y'all check my man David out, man. We at Short Sugars. Short Sugars, Reidsville, North Carolina.
We'll start out with that.
Okay. Look at the restaurant, y'all. The floor is clean. They clean back here. How you doing?
No, the chop. That's what I heard.
So here's our hickory slabs. We got a bunch up the hill here.
Okay, so now this is hickory wood.
All hickory wood. Yep.
Is there a particular reason why it's hickory?
It's just kind of the flavor of the southeast. That's what, just like what is it down in Mesquite, down in Texas? It's hickory through here.
And you put it in there?
Yep, put it in here.
Check them out, y'all.
This is all.
Look at this.
Years old.
Ain't nothing modern about this. This that old school. Look at that.
It's kind of winding down for the day now. Yep, and then it drops down there.
So David, you load it every morning. You load that up.
We keep it going all day until about this time of day. Yeah, we started around 2 o'clock in the morning.
Okay.
And then
Where do you get the wood from?
we've got a fella in Mebane that has a sawmill, and so far he's never run out of hickory, thank goodness.
All right.
So then it drops down. It's not pretty.
Check this out, y'all. Look at this.
It drops down there. Just take that hole.
Look at that.
We got that. And that's how they smoke. It's real similar to jerk chicken.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, cool, man. This is definitely different.
Not a lot of places left still do it this way.
Right, this is old school. Listen, I'm looking forward to eating. Let me get over here. And now, David, you leaving? You coming back, right?
I am. I'll be back before you finish, I'm sure.
Okay. All right, yeah.
You timed it well too. Our air conditioner was working earlier.
Yeah. Man, I'm looking forward to this food, man. I know it's gonna be good. This is no McDonald's. This is no Chipotle or Chick-fil-A. This is, and you can smell the food in here. You can see the smoke. So they getting busy in here, y'all. Check them out back there. Check them out, y'all. They getting busy back there. So, when I'm traveling, I like to, when I go to different parts of the country or even different parts of the world, I always like to try the different foods, man. Sweet tea. Come back, because I want to shoot. I'm going to go on Facebook and Instagram.
Yes, sir.
All right. The culture down south is different, man. And everywhere, like when I went to St. Pete, when I went to Florida last week, 2 weeks ago, they have a different culture than the culture here in North Carolina. You know what I'm saying? And and they got a different culture than New Jersey. How you doing? All right. How you doing? Yep. How you doing? All right. Yep, likewise. What's up, man? All right, good. I'm hungry too, man. It's like 5 o'clock in the afternoon. I haven't eaten all day. I drove all night. I'm going to pick Sean up from his camp, from his baseball camp. And check my man out. All right, thank you, man. Look at that right there, y'all. What's them ribs right there? Okay. You want to say what's up to the people, man? Check my man out. You got to get me. Say what's up to the people, man. Check my man out, y'all. What's your name, y'all?
Rick.
Rick?
Yeah.
Okay, Rick. So you one of the cooks back there, Rick?
Cooks like this. I do a little both.
You do a little bit of both?
Yes, sir.
All right. Hey, Rick, I appreciate you, man. All right. All right, y'all. Come on, let's bless the food. Let's bless the food. God, thank you for this food that we got to receive for the nourishment of our bodies, our minds, and our spirits. Amen. Barbecue ribs. Barbecue ribs. That pork, boy. Give me that swine, because swine is fine. Give me that swine. Works fine every time. Oh man, look at this. It's the best barbecue in the world?
This is the barbecue festival
And I have a Eastern North Carolina where you have that vinegar ketchup.
Uh-huh.
This is good. This is good. This is best barbecue.
Oh man.
brown sugar honey sauce.
Look at
That vinegar sauce.
I think it's got a little extra with it.
Good, y'all.
I think it makes this good stuff.
Yes, it is. Good stuff. The meat is tender as bone, right off the bone. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Barbecue rib.
Had 2 hot dogs.
Pork barbecue rib. Like that. Yo, man, this is delicious, man. Good stuff, y'all. Good stuff. Shout out to my man Al Rob Pro State Power. Don't never stop. Don't never stop. Yo, these barbecue ribs is crazy.
It was in a little silver container. Like you get a credit card, it was in a silver container. I got it here, it was right here. Lord have mercy. So,
There you go.
thank you, Jesus. Thank you.
Oh, that's mine too?
Yeah.
Wow, look at this, y'all. Look at this. So we got French fries, coleslaw, hush puppies, And I think this is chopped pork. I think that's chopped pork right there. God, thank you for this food that we're about to receive, for the nourishment for our bodies, our minds, and our spirits. Amen. All right, so we're gonna put a little, check me out, y'all. Put a little ketchup on the French fry. A little ketchup on the French fry. Dope French fries. Y'all checking me out? Check me out now. Y'all check me out. Let's check out the coleslaw. Check out the coleslaw. Yes, sir. This is chopped pork, guys. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. French fries, all that. I've never really been a hush puppy man. Let's check them out. I never really ate hush puppies. They're good though. This food is delicious. Look at that right there. So I got the, excuse me, what do you call that right there?
Chopped barbecue.
Chopped barbecue, okay. We got the chopped barbecue. I'm gonna dip it in this, this sauce is crazy, man. The barbecue boy. Good stuff, y'all. What's up, man? Good stuff, y'all. Good stuff. Food. French fries, good. Chopped barbecue, baby. Chopped barbecue. Pork is low glycemic index foods. Pork has a glycemic index of 0, full of protein. telling you the facts. I'm good. All right, y'all. Short Sugars, Reidsville, North Carolina. The kitchen is clean. The cooks are clean. We went in the back. You saw the back. You saw how they cook it. Food is delicious. Southern hospitality. Can't go wrong. Podcast is so it don't never stop. Peace. Y'all just came out. Belly full. Got my down south North Carolina sweet tea. Check me out. Short Sugars, Reidsville, North Carolina. Man, the barbecue ribs, the coleslaw, the french fries, the hush puppies, the chopped barbecue, on the money. My man David, the owner, man, complimented me. I wanted to pay. He said, "Sean, don't worry about it." Awesome service. The staff is friendly. David is a cool dude. When you come down here, say, "David, man, I saw you on Sean's podcast with Soul, and I want to come and get something to eat." The food is delicious. Y'all come down. Short Sugars, 1328 South Scale, Reidsville, North Carolina. Let me check this tea out one more time. See, they don't make tea like this in New Jersey. Check me out. That's that down south sweet tea. Sean G, podcast with Soul. Peace.